pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Saying thank you is like a breath of fresh air with these succulent cookie stencils and matching cookie cutters from Confection Couture. To learn more about the techniques shown here, check out the other videos on the Confection Couture YouTube channel. In addition to the stencils shown here, you'll find more information about the tools used in this tutorial by visiting our website. These include the AirGenie airbrush system, Stencil Genie, Screen Genie, Quadrant Masking Tool, Gyro-Cut craft and hobby cutting tool, cookie magnets, DecoPac airbrush food coloring, and of course, cookie cutters. Visit Confection Couture Stencils.com today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas.